guys, and welcome back to another video. And today this is my favourite video because it's all about plushies, different types of plushies. And with your plushie you can have the matching ruffle, the hologram party ruffle, or the rosette special ruffle. If you can get that as well. And you can also get a special birthday one if it's your birthday. And I have an example, because if you were 5, you could have this 5 plushie, and this goes really well with this lovely rosette. Or you could have it with the hologram party ruffle. And the animals also squeak. All of them do. And of course the cats do as well. And with the belt you can also pop your 5 on, but you need to put the rosette on first so that you don't get it muddled up, and you can have the 5 on your belt and you can wear the 5. So thank you for watching my favourite video.